Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create sci-fi image in Adobe Photoshop using 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. Also, we will be using image I downloaded and licensed from Adobe stock. So guys, let's start. I have created my simple document, and here I have opened my Creative Cloud library with all my images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe stock. I will click on this image and I will drag this image into my document. This image is much smaller than I need because I have created my document at a very large size. So I will resize it just like that. I will resize it. I will bring image down and I will click OK to accept all changes. Now I would like to apply a fish eye effect into my background layer. What I will do, I will go to Edit, Perspective, Warp, and voila. I will highlight both parts of my layer just like that. And in the options bar, I will click on Warp and I will simply adjust my layer, so I can adjust it at any way I want. So as you can see now, I have kind of fish eye effect applied to my background and I like it. Now I will click OK and voila guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Let me zoom in. Beautiful. This is how I wanted my background effect for my background. Also, guys, you can see that I have opened PixelSquid library with all my 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. I will click on my first object I would like to work with today and voila. Using Move tool, I will move this element on a side just like that. And I would like to rotate my 3D object. I can rotate my 3D object directly from a PixelSquid plugin just like that. And voila, maybe I will move it just like this. Perfect. And I will rotate it more just like that. Yes, I like it. Yes, I would like to have shadow and I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution, of course. So now I have my alien 3D object on top of my all layers. I will highlight my background layer just like that. In PixelSquid plugin, I have very beautiful tree. I will click on this tree just like that. I will rotate it directly in PixelSquid plugin. I will resize it slightly, guys, and I will reposition it just like that. And I will click OK. If I would like, I can rotate it more. Yes. Definitely, I would like to have my tree in high resolution, and also I would like to have shadows, just like that. Maybe, guys, maybe I will resize my tree slightly more. Let's see. Yes, just like that. Maybe. Perfect. And I will click OK. Perfect. This is how I want it. Now I will highlight my background layer one more time and I will click on another 3D object I downloaded from PixelSquid. I will resize it. I will move it on side. I will accept all changes. And guys, I don't want to have shadow with this 3D object, but definitely I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. Just like that. Perfect. I like it a lot. Now, what I will do, I will highlight my top layer, my alien, just like that. And in the PixelSquid plugin, I will click on Add New. And here I have another 3D object. I will click on it. Just like that, guys. This is so simple. I will rotate it. Just like that. And I will reposition it. Perfect. I don't want a shadow with this 3D object, but I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution again. No surprise in here. So guys, this is basic composition. Now we will talk about how we can add more details into our design. We will apply a few adjustments, and before I will forget, I would like to add one more 3D object. I will highlight my alien layer. I will click on add new, and I will click on another 3D object, just like that. I will make it smaller, and I will reposition it on top of my alien head, maybe slightly smaller, just like that. Perfect. I don't need shadows, but I need my 3D object in high resolution. And maybe I will reposition just like that. Yes, just like that. I love it. What I will do, just like this. Perfect. I'm trying to find the right position for my alien, my helmet. Perfect. Now, I will highlight my background layer. I will click on color lookup adjustment, just like that. Because guys, I applying adjustment as a separate layer, I have full control over my adjustment layer. First of all, I can tell Photoshop that I would like to apply my adjustment only to the layer below my adjustment layer, and definitely I can adjust this adjustment layer at any time later on. So what I will do, I will click on color lookup. I'm sorry. And I will specify what color lookup I would like to apply. Maybe I would like to bring more contrast into my document. So let's do, no, will not work. Yes, yes. Guys, you can apply any adjustment you like. Everything is up to you. So let's see before our adjustment layer and after. Not too obvious, but we have great contrast now. But I would like to move my planet just slightly, just like that. Maybe down. Just like that. And I'm happy now. What I will do now, guys, I will highlight my tree. I will apply curves as adjustment layer. And now I will specify that I would like to apply my curve adjustment only to the layer below my curve adjustment. So in properties panel, I will click add clipping mask, just like that, and voila. I will adjust the tree. Perfect. I love it. Now we have huge contrast between our background, our tree, our island, our fish. Everything has a huge contrast, and I love it. Now, I will highlight my tree. I will select it. I will copy it. And I will click on island helmet. I will select it, just like that. And I will go to edit, paste special, paste into, just like that. I can adjust this layer in any way I like. So basically I'm creating reflection, tree reflection in alien helmet. Also I can change blend mode. Let's see. Screen blend mode works perfectly fine with this particular example. So guys, basically we are done, but I would like to apply few extra adjustments. What I will do, first of all, I will merge all visible layers, just like that. I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after, and I will go to filter, camera raw filter, just like that. And here I will adjust exposure, brighter. I will increase contrast for sure. I will move the haze slider slightly to the right, same with clarity, just like that, and I will click OK. Let me show to you before camera roll and after. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. And if you will create anything after this tutorial, please share with me. I would like to see what you have created. Thank you for being with me. Super appreciate it. And I will see you later. Bye guys.